Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and I am so excited because in this video I would like to actually I've been here already many times, but for this video I want to tour you in one of the unit here located in the streets of Gordo. The developer of this project is Worldwide Central Properties, and this is a mixed development project because the Somerset is also housing in this building. Somerset, a brand of the Ascot. And then it's a chain of hotels. And right now I am in the atrium, one of the amenities of this condominium. We have Sky Garden, which is located at the 31st floor, and we also have two lobbies for the Somerset Hotel and lobbies for the residential. We also have basement parking and the podium parking, and on our swimming pool is located at the 8th floor of this building. And for this video, I really want to show you the 2 bedrooms, furnished unit, 2 bedrooms with maid's room and 3 toilet and bathroom. And the view of that unit is the Cebu Business Park and partly the southern part of Cebu. So let's go out in this atrium and we will visit that 2 bedroom condo. Come. So this is our hallway. As you notice, it's wide because it's about 1.5 meters hallway, and we also have that high ceiling hallways. And if you notice also, we have this smart lock systems for our main door. And let's go to the unit. And this is the unit that I want to show you. By the way, we also have 3 bedrooms in this unit, 1 bedroom, and I think the studio is already sold out. Yeah, no, we don't have studio here. We only have 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms. But for now, I want to show you the 2 bedrooms. And as we enter with the unit, I want to give you an idea about the developer of this building because this is developed by the Worldwide Central Properties. We all know that Worldwide has been started in construction business. They own the steel company. They own the steel company, and the reason why we can guarantee you with the quality of the materials that we use here because the materials that has been used with doing this project is also the sister company of the Worldwide Central Properties. So let's go to the unit. As I mentioned, the door is smart lock. You have the combination, the key card, and your digital. And this is the maid's room of the unit. Actually, you can turn this into something else, not only maid's room, because maybe you can make this a storage room. Supposedly maid's room because we have this provision for the laundry and dryer. But maybe you can turn that into something more useful than maid's room if you don't have helper in your maybe you can make it into a home office. And this is your kitchen, equipped kitchen. You have this cabinet here, but we don't have furnishing appliances with this kitchen. But maybe because sometimes we have promo and then we are giving appliances, so maybe when you are going to buy the unit, when you reserve the unit and you can hit the promo, then you can have for the appliances like the gas range and cooktop. Maybe because sometimes we offer that. And since this is a 2 bedroom unit, we have that's the main bedroom of the unit, and this is the regular bedroom of the unit, and this is the common toilet and bathroom of the unit. I would like to check first this one. So we have this cabinet, and we have this shower. This is ready, so everything that you can see is ready. Will be ready upon turnover of the unit. And I want to show you first, I want to explain first, when you are buying a condo, sometimes we are buying with balcony. So sometimes balcony is not very useful because we are putting the air condenser outside the balcony. But this one, I think this is the first condo project that has been visited niya. The condenser is been hidden. Maybe some developer they hide the condenser, but this one they have different type, different style because here below in this box there is a condenser. So the developer made this one is very clever, very smart move because the condenser is below and then you can use this as your maybe sofa or something that you can use for sitting something like view of the Cebu Business Park. The building of Montage, the building of 1016 in Ayala, and Abalon, and Solinea. Those are the buildings there. I want to tell you, right now it's about 2 p.m. Yeah, it's about 2 p.m. but I can barely feel the heat in this unit because I would like to highlight the glass that is being used in this project. This is a double glazed glass. So we all know that double glazed glass can resist heat. That's why I can barely feel. We are not turning the aircon. We don't have aircon right now, but it's not hot inside. And of course, we are in front of the Cebu Business Park. We expect that the noise of the cars, what's going on out, because that's one of the concern, the noise, because it's Cebu Business Park. But I guarantee, no noise, because it's double glazed glass. So let's visit I think this will be the last part of the video. We will check first this one, the regular bedroom of the unit. And this is the regular bedroom of the unit. You have this full glass wall, and you have the full view of the southeast of Cebu. You can see partly the Cebu Business Park, and you can see the Cordova area, the Mactan Channel. You can also see the half of Cebu Cordova Bridge, the half of Cebu Cordova Bridge. Let's go to the main bedroom of this unit. I would like also to emphasize the high ceiling of this unit because it's really high, and I think you can use this ceiling. I think you can decorate it. You can put what do you call this? Additional cabinets, maybe something like you can put something above because it's really high. Oh. And let's go to the second bedroom or the main bedroom of the unit. So this is our main bedroom, and again I have been emphasize the glass. So now I would like to emphasize also the floor because we are not using very cheap quality in this condo. So our floor here this is an engineered wood. Engineered wood. This is not like your typical flooring in some of the condo. Because I know one of the condo here in Cebu, they are very expensive, but they are using a laminated wood. This one is not laminated, this one is engineered wood. So whether you map it all day, it can survive from coming years. So again, you have this view, the same view with your master's bedroom and your living area, the same view, they have the same orientation, but you have this again, the covered condenser for your aircon, and maybe you can use this to, you can put mini stuffed toys there or something. What do you want with that area? Because I really like it. And this is the master's toilet and bathroom of the unit. And I think that's it. I think that's the two bedroom of this the suite at Colorado. So I really want to bring you to one of our amenities here, but unfortunately we cannot be able to go to the swimming pool because we are doing there are works there, and safety purposes it's a priority. So also the Sky Garden we can go there. That's guaranteed if you are living here. There is a Sky Garden, swimming pool, and from the start of our video, that's the atrium. So it's open atrium. You can use that. Maybe you have meetings or something. You want to go outside with your unit, then you can use that. And maybe if we can check later the lobby, I will put the lobby at the end of this video. So thank you so much. Maybe just watch on the other video because I'm going to tour you in one of the one-bedroom unit here in the Suites at Burgo. So I'm not touring you the model unit, but I'm touring you the actual unit. The actual unit that we are selling. So guaranteed, if you have that eagle eye in regards to the quality, and I think you can do your quality check here because even the price, so I like it. So thank you. This has been again Mark, and thank you thank you for watching the video. If you are going to subscribe to the channel, thank you so much, and thank you for the supporting of the channel. We are now growing. Thank you so much. So please support the Suites at Gordo Worldwide Central Properties. Buy unit here so that you can experience the brand of Worldwide Central Properties. Thank you. Bye bye. And finally, we are now at the residential lobby of Suites at Gordo. We have the lobby of the Somerset. It's located on the east part of this building, and this is the west part of the building. And you have that very nice chandelier, kahoy-kahoy pa. And I would like to tell you this is made by Kenneth. So I want to sit down on Kenneth Cobon masterpiece. Wow! Tingnan na kasop si Kenneth. And you have the computer and that room. And we have this concierge area. This is dedicated for the residential lobby, kaya ang hotel lobby mo is located on the other side, and we cannot go there. And nice ko tayo, aso-aso. And this is it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. This is the parking of the Suites at Gordo.
Head north on Archbishop Reyes Avenue toward Acacia Street.
And that's the Suites at Gordo.
Turn left onto Cebu Transcend.